Continuing from where we stopped in our last video on some text functions, today we'll be looking at some text functions that you can use to also format your data. And these are the value, clean, trim, proper, upper, and lower function. Let's check that out together.
Alright guys, so we'll be looking at the following functions: the trim, clean, value, proper, upper, and lower function. As you can see here, we have some data set here that they don't look clean. Looking at them, they don't look very clean to work with. Okay, so the first function we'll be looking at is the trim function. And what is the trim function used for? It is used to trim excess spaces away from your data. If you look at this column, you can see we have some excess spaces. You can see space here, you can see space here, you can see some spaces here, space here, space here, space here. So how do you remove spaces from your data in Excel using the trim function? All I have to do is just come here, equal to trim, double-click blue box, then select the text, which is the argument, is that cell, that value you want to remove excess spaces from. So I'm selecting the first cell in the raw data column. Now hit enter. So you can see this excess space in front has been removed. Now just fill down. And you can see we don't have all these excess spaces again. They have been removed. So the next one is the value. Looking at the value function. What is the value function used for? The value function is used for converting a number that's in a text format into number. Currently, remember I told us that anytime you type in numbers in Excel, it gets a line on the right hand side. You can see it on the right hand side. It's only text that falls on the left hand side. By typing blessing, you see it on the left hand side. So currently you are seeing this number said, although they are numbers, but they are text, because why? They are aligned on the left hand side. So how do I convert this from, although they are numbers, how do I convert it from being text to numbers? I use a function called value function. So equal to value. So you can see it says convert a text string that represents a number to a number. So I would double click on this, and the first argument is just, it only takes one argument, text, the one you want to convert back to number. So select this and hit enter. So I'll fill down now. So let me drag this. So you can now see that we have them aligned here on the right hand side. Okay, so the next one we'll be looking at is the proper, upper, and lower function. These are simple ones. They are simple. Use them to format your text either into proper case or uppercase or lowercase. So you can see the data here, the names of these people, it is not well, it's not well formatted. You can see in some cells we have capital letter. In some cells, it's not clean. So how do I clean this data, format it to look well, to be in a good state? So to do that, so if you want to convert it into a sentence case, by sentence case I mean that the first letter is in capital letter while the rest is in small letter. Use the function called proper function, equal to proper. So you can see it says convert a text string to proper case, the first letter in each word to uppercase and other letters to be in lowercase. So click on this and select the first argument is the text. So I'll select this and I'll hit enter. So let me fill down. So currently, let me just, the text are wrapped. So I'll just format this. So currently, format it. So I formatted it now. No longer wrapped. So we have these values here now. Let me make them, align them to the, I don't want them to be bold. Maybe don't be bold. Okay, so for the upper function, I want use the upper function to capitalize all the names. Equal to upper. And select this as a first cell and hit enter. So you can now see that we have this, all the names will be capitalized now. Everything capitalized now. So this is how you use the upper function. And the next one is the lower function, just to turn everything into smaller case. Equal to lower. Then you can see convert all letters in the text string to lower cases. So double click on this, come back here, select the cell, now hit enter. Then I'll fill down. So anytime you want to convert your data either to sentence cases, upper cases, or lower cases, use the function upper proper, and lower function. All right, so the last one we'll be looking at here is the clean function. When you have non-printable characters in your data set or your data, use the clean function to remove those non-printable characters. So you can see here we have some non-printable characters. You can see, although we have some numbers here, you are seeing something like a rectangle in between. These are non-printable characters. So how do you remove them? You remove them using the clean function, equal to clean. So you can see clean removes all non-printable characters from the text. So click on this. Then the first argument is the text. So I'll select this and hit enter. Then I'll fill down. Don't forget, you can see the value here now. It's a text that looks like number, because you can see it's aligned on the left hand side. So for me to change this, convert this to a number, you just have to use a function value. Don't forget value equal to value. Then I'll select this and hit enter to fill down. So can you see that? So this is how you use this function to format your data. All right, thank you very much for watching. Please do not to like, share, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to practice beats perfection. Bye.